Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have 7 DIYs. These were so easy and so inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. These are also small, so they're perfect for a tea tray or even for a tray. And I think they're also perfect to give as a gift to your significant other for Valentine's. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For the I Love Us DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree Decor little house. I'm going to start off by removing the back. I tried to remove all the little papers, but it was kind of hard, so I did use a scent sheet to just remove them, because once I add the back, sometimes you're able to see them. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint to stain the frame of the house. And I'm going to paint the back using some white chalk paint. For the wording inside the house, I will be using these Dollar Tree stickers. I'm showing you two different options here, but Dollar Tree does carry so many different options you can use instead. I'm going to put I and us using these pattern stickers. And I'm going to write love in cursive. I don't have the best handwriting, but I ran out of black ink on my printer, so I can't transfer right now. Hopefully I get some something real soon. So the next thing I will be doing is just going over it with a permanent marker. Now for the picture, I went ahead and printed a picture out of me and my fiance. Then to decorate it some more, I decided to use these wood Dollar Tree little hearts, and I'm going to put one on each corner. By the way, this is also a great Valentine's gift if you want to give it to your partner or your significant other. I think this is beautiful, and the best part is that it's handmade, so they will appreciate it more. And the last thing I did was just glue the back to the frame. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Like I said, this is a great gift and it goes perfectly on a tier tray. My next DIY is going to be so easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these Love Decor wood piece and a little heart that came with a little heart DIY cutouts. I'm going to start off by painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now for the heart, I'm going to use a piece of this buffalo check ribbon. I am using this one instead of a paper because I don't have any paper that is this color, and I really wanted to use the gray and white. So what I did, I traced the heart and then I cut it out and then used hot glue to glue this to the wood heart. And so it wouldn't de-thread, what I did is I used a lighter and all I did was just burn it around. The last thing I did was glue the heart to the O, and I didn't want a lot of the O to show. That's why I glued the heart sideways. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Once again, this is perfect for a tier tray. My next DIY is another simple and easy one to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using a wood decor sign and some transfer stickers. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the sticker from the back and then paint all the side of the heart using the Waverly Antique Wax. I do want this to be the darkest, so I didn't add any water to the antique wax. For the front, my plan was to leave it with a natural wood, but I accidentally went and added a little bit of the antique wax to the front, so then I had to paint the whole thing. So I did add a little bit of water just so it can be lighter. After that, I went over with a piece of napkin to remove some more of the antique wax so it can be lighter. The next thing I did was cut out the word forever and transfer it to the heart. I did put it on the side because I do want to use this like a little coaster. I did put a candle on top of it, but there is different ways you can use this. I will show you some in the clips. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful and it's so cute and it looks so nice on the tier tray. The next thing I will be using is this little cute planter. I got this from Dollar Tree recently, and some Boxwood greenery. I was going to use some roses, but I ended up not using them. I am also using one of the small little heart cutouts from Dollar Tree. And this ribbon is from Dollar General. I got it during Thanksgiving, but Dollar Tree carries so many different beautiful ribbons you can use instead. I'm going to remove the little sticker from the back of the heart The other side is pink, and I didn't want to use the pink side. I wanted to use the natural wood because I am going to transfer us from the transfer sticker sheet. The next thing I will be doing is decorating the glass using this ribbon. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing the heart and then adding the boxwood greenery. And that is it for this beautiful planter. I think it turned out beautiful, and it is so cute because it comes with a little stand already. For the garland, I will be using 2 different sizes of Dollar Tree hearts, some string, and the only thing that isn't from Dollar Tree are the beads. These beads are from Amazon. They are 20 mm, but Dollar Tree carries beads you can use instead. The first thing I'm going to do is just put all the beads in the string, and I just stained some of them using the Waverly Antique Wax. So I ended up switching hearts at the last minute. I found a smaller heart on the DIY stickers from Dollar Tree, so I decided to use that instead. The back of it is red, so all I'm gonna do is flip it around so I can use the natural wood side. I'm going to glue it to the center of my heart, then paint the rest of the heart using the Waverly Antique Wax. I made the mistake and cut the string way too short, so I didn't have enough so I can tie it. So what I did was just glue it to the back, and to secure it some more, I decided to add a double bow I made using some Hobby Lobby ribbon, and that is it, guys. Actually, I'm not done. The next thing I decided to do was use a transfer sheet from Dollar Tree and cut out "Love You," then transfer it to the heart. And that is it for this DIY. I think this garland turned out beautiful, and it looks so beautiful on the tier tray. For my next DIY, I'm going to use this piece of wood. I got this on a pack from Ross. It was $2.99, and it has so many different sizes. And I'm using some Dollar Tree stickers and the chalkboard tag. So the first thing I'm going to do is just glue one of the chalkboard tags to this little wood piece. And I'm putting it sideways, but you can't use it either way, vertical or horizontal. Then I'm going to use the Dollar Tree stickers to put B, B, E, and I decided to use a different font of stickers, so I'm using these Walmart ones, and I'm going to put mine, so it's gonna say Be Mine. I did put it in the center first, but then I ended up moving it more towards the top because I added a piece of ribbon going sideways or underneath it like a line. To cover the hole in the heart, I put a bow that I made using this ribbon. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. My next DIY is the easiest of them all. I'm using this brain teaser game from Dollar Tree, and it's a whole bunch of little wood pieces. They are square, so I am going to use one of the natural wood color ones and the Dollar Tree transfer sticker sheet. As you can see, this one had this little XOXO, and it was so tiny that I was like, you know what, this fit perfectly in one of these little squares. So I decided to do that, and as you can see, you have to be very careful. The thing I did was just transfer it to that, and that is it, guys. This was so easy, and I think this looks so cute on the tier tray. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You gotta let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. These were so easy and simple to do. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.